Milk is an excellent ingredient for the skin. This is why a number of DIY treatments always include milk in their recipes. When used raw, milk has the ability to address a number of skin concerns. The problem is not many women know how to add it to their skincare routine. Today's video will discuss apply it 2 minutes at night, the face will be so fair in the morning. How to use milk on the skin? Anti-aging milk mask. Another benefit of milk is its ability to tackle the signs of aging, and make the skin look supple and smooth. Using an anti-aging mask with milk will moisturize the skin, for longer periods, as well as reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This mask contains yogurt, another skin benefiting ingredient, that addresses skin problems. You need 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of yogurt. How to: in a bowl, add milk and yogurt and mix well to get a thick paste-like consistency. Then using a brush, apply the mixture all over your face and neck. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes before washing off with cold water. If you are comfortable with the idea, this mask can also be left on the skin all night to reap maximum anti-aging benefits. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.